Hey, what's up guys? So I got a 2006 BMW 325xi. It's got the 3.0 liter straight 6-cylinder. The cover's off, so yeah, the cover here is off as well. But yeah, anyway, so it doesn't start, and at first I checked fuses and relays and couldn't find anything. So right now I just decided to check the start, but the starter's down in here, and all I did is I took these test leads and I put my negative here over here, and then I ran that over here to my test lead, and then it goes up to my tester right there, and I just got it laying up there so I can see it from inside the car. And then the positive terminal goes onto my tester as well. Then obviously it goes down into this thing, and then it comes over to here down to the starter. So I'm basically checking to see if there's power down at the starter. So now you can see, like, right under the bolt there's like a golden braided wire that goes down into the starter, and that's what you want to connect to, because that's where it comes out from the solenoid. So it comes out of the solenoid right under that bolt, and then it goes down into the starter. So yeah, you just want to connect your lead there, and then connect that to obviously your tester. And then all you gotta do is go inside the car and put the key in. Just gonna put the key in real quick, and then I'm gonna press it right now, and then you'll see the numbers change. So now you can see that the voltage went up, and then it obviously went back down, because if the car doesn't start right away, then it, you know how a car like this works if you have one, probably. But if it doesn't start right away, then it cuts the voltage back off. Yeah, basically if I press the start button, then the voltage will go up. So that's just telling me that the starter is definitely bad, because there is voltage right at the starter. So I'm just gonna go and order a new starter and swap it out, and that's pretty much it. In order to swap it out, you got to take the air filter off here. Make sure you don't damage your airflow sensor. Just unplug it, and then you obviously want to take these clamps off, and you're probably going to have to take this manifold off here. But you can also take like a long screwdriver. Take a long screwdriver and put it down on that wire and test it that way. Like if you poke a screwdriver down there onto that wire, and then connect your tester to the screwdriver. So you'd basically be using the screwdriver as like a test lead or whatever. Or you can take like a piece of wire, take a long piece of wire, maybe like a strong piece of wire, put it down on that golden braided wire right under that bolt, and then just connect that to your tester. Maybe have like your buddy help you, or you can tie it, or you can, like, twist it around your tester lead, the piece of wire, and then you can test it like that. Basically just to see if there's power to the starter, and that way you know that you have to order a new one to change it. So other things you can check, there's fuses in there, but I don't think any of those are related to the starting issue. And the problem is, like, if I try to start it, it literally does nothing, because the starter just doesn't work whatsoever. Here, there's a relay right here. I'll just pull it out for you real quick. And sometimes these things go bad, and then that makes that it doesn't start either. But I'm just gonna shove it back in. But as you can see, when I unplugged it, my light for the glove compartment went off. So I mean, that basically tells me that it is working, and obviously that's not the problem, because I know now that the starter doesn't work, because I tested it. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. So there's also a green fuse down here. If you see the big green fuse, that's also for starting the car. So you can also check that one if you haven't figured it out yet. Thanks a lot for watching, and comment down below, and yeah, like and subscribe.